Hey y'all, just a fast video today to announce the YouTube winner from our free Super Clean giveaway.
The available products for the lucky winner is a bottle of original Super Clean degreaser and a can of their super duper aerosol cleaner.
We love the products, and so we've already generated all of the names from those of you that were kind enough to leave comments, and so we'll pick that winner.
Thank you to everybody that joined in, we really appreciate it. Good luck to you all. Hey, that's awesome!
Ex-engineer, you left supportive comments pretty much from the start, so we're really glad it's you.
Yeah, that's super cool. Congratulations. That's awesome.
And looking at his comment for his dirtiest job.
His dirtiest job. He's got a 1970s Pace Arrow motorhome that needs a good clean, and the one I'm super jealous of is the 1975 Dodge Dart that needs a good clean. If you need help, give me a shout, I'll probably come help.
You need to clean our motorhome before you go and clean someone else's vehicles.
I've done it once, I'm not doing it again.
Talking about our 1965 Clark Cortez Motorhome, we do have several jobs that we finished and several jobs that are still ahead. We're in the process of editing those videos to hopefully get them out at some point.
We're working on it, trust us.
Future. But we wanted to take a moment to just give you the exciting news that we wanted to share.
Get them balloons and streamers ready.
We reached 500 subscribers, and so a huge thank you for those that have watched our videos and subscribed and left us comments and just basically given us tons of support. It means a lot to us.
We really appreciate it. It's super cool. Thank you.
Most definitely. So we hope that you are happy. We hope that you are well, and we will talk to you very soon. Bye.
Bye.